Hello, here we have one of the most biggest problem in Dominican Republic. What you see right here is the delinquents. The delinquents. Uh, the people here uh, feel uh, insecure. They don't trust the police. They don't trust in any people, and that is bad. But for me, it's easy to solve this situation. If I don't know if you know the story about Singapore, how the how his president solved or and with the delinquents in his town, his city or country. And they for him, it doesn't matter if the if you stolen uh, one one little chicken, or if you stolen million of dollars. Uh, if you if you stolen or do any mistake, I don't know how can I say delito. Uh, they gonna shoot you. They gonna take you and go to a helicopter, and next they gonna shoot you to the sea, and with that mechanism, Singapore now is more secure. It's not like my it's not like I think it's on mine. It's an example. Okay, thank you.